Hey, this might seem very familiar. I am in the Art for Kids Hub studio, but in Minecraft. We are actually gonna build the winter monster from today's lesson. So open up your Minecraft world and follow along. Welcome to the Mega Table. This is where we're gonna build all of our creations. And I'm so excited to start off with this winter monster. Now here are the blocks. We got light blue concrete, we got white concrete, light blue powdered concrete, black terracotta, pink concrete, blue wool, and white concrete powder. We're first going to use a light blue concrete for our monster's feet, and we're going to place down 4 blocks in a row, leave a gap, and then 4 more blocks. And then on top of this, we're going to do white concrete, and we're going to actually do multiple layers of this. We're going to do 3 layers going up on both feet like this, and then on the third one, we're going to connect these together. Now on our next step, we're going to place 3 of these white blocks here, switch back to our light blue concrete, place 3 blocks of these concrete, and then the white concrete. Then on the next row, we're going to place 2 things of white concrete, then light blue concrete, and then we're going to skip in the middle of this, light blue concrete, and then the white. And then we're going to place light blue concrete powder in the middle of here. I like the sound of that. Now on our next row, we're gonna just kind of copy this exact same pattern and just go all the way across and do just another layer of that to look like this. Next layer, we're gonna go across and we're gonna go on top of this blue block, but then we're gonna switch to the light blue concrete and do this little like square looking shape here. And then we're going to finish it off with the white concrete. Then this next row is going to be nice. We're just going to do all white. Now we're going to start working on the face. If we do 3 white, and then we're going to use the black terracotta here. We're going to place 1 black terracotta, 1 pink concrete, and then the black terracotta again. Then we're going to do white concrete across. Next, we're going to do white and then some pink for the cheeks. And we're going to do white again. Then the black for on top of the mouth, and then we're going to do white, pink, then white. We can now see the mouth and the 2 cheeks, which looks awesome. You could actually see the reference up there. That's what it's going to look like. It's going to look like that. I'm just going to show you how to build that. We could honestly flip around and build it on this side too, so that we could have the awesome looking background. This next part is a little bit different. We're going to start in the middle and we're going to do the white concrete here. And then we're going to place the black terracotta on both sides. I like the black terracotta because it's actually a very dark brown. It's not completely black, which I think looks really cool for this build. These 2 are the eyes, which they're going to look more like eyes in a second. We're going to place white concrete going across 4 blocks on this side. And then we're going to do the same over here, 4 blocks across. Now we're going to copy this layer. We're going to place 3 white, 1 black, and then 4 white, and 4 more white over here. This is looking awesome, and right above the cheeks, we're going to place a row of white on top of these cheeks. Next, let's finish off the head. We're going to do this kind of cone shape, and we're going to end it off like that. Looks a little funny because we need to add the horns next. For the horns, we're going to place 2 blue concrete here, 1 up here, and then we're going to do another blue concrete here and here. We're doing it the same on both sides. Then we're going to build the horns going up, so we're going to place wool, the blue wool, and we're going to go up 2 across, 3 up, and then we're going to place 2 like this, so it kind of looks like a curve. Then we're going to do it over here as well, build 3 up, and then 1 across for the curve. Our winter monster is missing one of its biggest things, and that is its arms. What we're going to do for the arms, we're going to go at the bottom of the belly, and we're going to go across all the way to here and place blue concrete here, and then we're going to go down a little bit and build across like this. Does that make sense? That kind of makes sense. We're going to go across here, place down 1 blue concrete, go down, and then go across like this. We're going to add some light blue concrete on this. We're going to place light blue concrete powder here. Then actually right here, we're going to place 2 light blue concrete powder. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. This is kind of like the armpits, I think. We built the hands first, and now we got to build the arms. We kind of did it a little bit backwards. But we're going to now build up 2, and then we're going to do another row, and then another row like this. And then once we're past this blue, then we're going to go 2 and then 1, if that makes sense. And then we're going to head over here. We're going to do 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. And then once we do the 3 and we're next to the blue, then we're going to just place 2. Make sure there's no block right here. And then we're going to go 1, And look at that, it looks like the winter monster from the drawing. We just gotta add a few more details. I think our winter monster needs to look a little bit more fuzzy or snowy. And to do that, we're gonna use white concrete powder and kind of add some highlights in here. We're gonna add the white concrete on the top and just kind of sprinkle it all around this build. Oh, and make sure, since it's the powder, it will fall like sand. So you don't want to do it on the bottom sides of anything. Now we're just going to add this kind of all over our build to add some texture, some snowy texture to our build. That looks so good. We can flip around. It's easier to see it on this side. Look at that. We got our super cute winter monster. It looks a lot like a Yeti. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a Yeti. Oh my goodness. Is that a wandering trader right there? It is. It's right at the top. Okay, let's get back to the desk. Hope you guys had a lot of fun with this video. I am super excited to do a lot more of these builds. So stay tuned and make sure you like and subscribe for more Minecraft build how-to content. You guys are awesome. Have a good rest of your day and we'll see you later. Goodbye.